Digital technologies are becoming increasingly important in everyday life. From laser to artificial intelligence, from image processing to big data, they are behind the applications changing the way we live, work and communicate with others. These technologies are layered upon one another like lasagna, adding new functionalities on top of others, sometimes in completely different technology sectors. That's why you can track your daily run using technology which was originally developed to locate submarines. Okay, so strictly speaking, it's called a technology stack rather than lasagna, but the concept is the same. To create something useful, you have to build on the work of others. So what are the key technologies needed to build this stack? There are 3 key technologies at the core of any digital product or service. Microelectronics is the technology behind the integrated circuits in all digital applications. Many sensors in electronic devices are based on microelectronics. From the accelerometer, which enables your fitness app to track your steps, to the GPS and radar, which help you park your car. Little wonder that this is an enabler technology for the Internet of Things. Photonics is the technology of light, encompassing cameras, lasers, optical fiber, LED lighting and optical sensors. This technology helps save energy and increase speed. You cannot go faster than light. Light-related technologies can be applied in many different ways. They can speed up your internet connection, cut steel, provide non-invasive diagnostic and portable analysis methods for medicine, and will enable the autonomous vehicles of tomorrow. Finally, every digital service has software programs. You cannot see software, and we only tend to notice it if there's a problem, whether it's the app that drains your phone battery or your flight being cancelled due to a database glitch. Many of us use software for the work we do every day at the office, but it also powers industrial processes, energy networks, traffic lights, and rail and air traffic control. And its role in these areas is becoming more important every day. In summary, microelectronics, photonics and software are fundamental for the applications shaping our lives today and tomorrow. Europe's competitiveness in the era of the digital economy depends on our ability to master these key digital technologies and create a common and coherent strategy. Europe has the human, industrial and financial means to build a future where technology helps create a better society. Let's make it happen.